Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Update iOS now because software patches reduce background drain. Make a quick iCloud or iTunes backup so changes are safe. Once done, enable low power mode. This immediately limits CPU bursts, automatic downloads, and background fetch. While low power mode runs, reduce screen brightness and switch off raise to wake to stop accidental lighting. These first steps save power fast and let you continue with deeper settings without risking data loss. Now you dig into the middle steps. Go to Background App Refresh and turn it off for apps that don't need real-time updates because constant network use drains battery. Next, set location services to while using for apps that need it and disable high drain system services. This reduces GPS wake-ups. Then, change mail from push to fetch and pick a longer interval or manual fetch. This cuts network polling. Make sure to close heavy apps only if they misbehave, not routinely. Finish by checking battery health in settings to see maximum capacity and enable optimized battery charging. This reduces long-term wear. Restart your iPhone to clear rogue processes and consider a monthly calibration. Charge to 100%, use until it shuts off, then charge to 100% again. If you still see sudden percentage jumps or fast drain, reset all settings as a non-destructive step and contact Apple support if the problem remains. Hardware issues need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.